This is a momentous occasion. We just stopped by the land to drop some stuff off. And Rachel said, "Hey, aren't those bananas ready?" So these are our very first bananas from our new property. Look at that.
You think they're ready to pick?
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
they're ready.
Because you're the guy, you know this thing.
When they hit this kind of dull
Yeah.
greenish yellow, you spotted it, you got it.
Yeah.
Don't second guess it. Just do it. Perfect. You're a little stronger than you need to be. Perfect. You want to guess at the weight?
Me? Oh, I don't know. I'm not good at that sort of thing. It's heavy.
I am going to guess 20 pounds. What do you guess?
Me? Oh, I'm going to guess 20. Yeah, definitely.
All right, it's a moment of truth. Let's see. Hey now, look at that. 1 pound off.
That's what I said all along.
Rachel guessed it.
Yeah, it's not actually a tree. But I'm a real MC. DJ Banana G. Yeah. Drop it. Choppy, 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 choppy. I'm cutting down this stalky, stalky, stalky. Choppy, 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 choppy. I'm cutting down this stalky, stalky, stalky. Boom, slam, knock you on your can. Watch out, Bubba, it's the Banana Man. Choppy, 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 choppy. Cutting down the stalky, stalky, stalky. He lose fruits from the shoots, tripping on the peels in his boots. Choppy, 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 choppy. He loots fruits from the shoots, tripping on the peels in his boots. Repeating lines while he loots. Choppy,